equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a Torx screwdriver. These will be essential for disassembling your Dyson V11. First, unplug your vacuum cleaner to ensure safety. Next, locate the screws on the back of the device. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, gently pull apart the casing. Be cautious not to force it, as this could damage the clips. If you find it difficult, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always seek help. With the casing removed, you will see the motor assembly. Disconnect the wiring harness by gently pulling it away from the motor. Take your Torx screwdriver and remove the screws securing the motor in place. There are typically 3 screws, so ensure you remove all of them. After the screws are out, carefully lift the motor out of the housing. It's a good idea to clean the area around the motor at this stage. Use a soft brush or a cloth to remove any dust or debris that may have accumulated. This will help improve the efficiency of your vacuum cleaner. Now, take your new motor and place it into the housing. Make sure it fits snugly and aligns with the screw holes. Reattach the wiring harness, ensuring it clicks into place securely. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your vacuum. Next, secure the motor by replacing the screws you removed earlier. Use your Torx screwdriver to tighten them, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this could strip the screws. Once the motor is secured, it's time to reassemble the casing. Align it carefully and press it back into place. Replace the screws on the back of the vacuum to secure the casing. Again, ensure they are tight but not overly so. Finally, give your Dyson V11 a thorough clean before testing it. Check for any loose parts or screws that may have been missed. If you'd like a quote before repair or need assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. Once everything is in place, plug in your vacuum and turn it on. Listen for any unusual sounds that may indicate a problem. If all sounds good, you've successfully replaced the motor. Enjoy the improved performance of your Dyson V11. Remember, if you need any further assistance, we are here to help with no calls, no travel, just a simple solution at your doorstep. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.